Hi there, and welcome to Bardi Taylor Designs. And today I'm just going to do a little tutorial and talk about Canva and how to make simple designs that are effective to put into your print-on-demand online website. So I'm still selling a lot of my designs on Redbubble and Society6, and I've also combined a lot of my designs with Etsy as well, and through the print-on-demand company Printify. So I've come into Canva. This is how I make a lot of my original designs, and I've already uploaded, as you can see, some of my artwork. So I'm going to click on that because that's what I want on my t-shirt that I'll be designing. Now you can either make it smaller or larger. It's quite easy. And let's have a look at some background colours for that. I might try yellow. That looks nice and bright. Or green. Green's cool. Orange is nice. Purple. That's purple. Blue looks good. Or we could try a darker blue. Just changing all of the different colour variations here. I might take it into a... See, that's quite nice. I quite like that. It offsets the blue. But also I like the yellow as well. Might need a brighter yellow, I think. Let's try for a yellow. Brighter one. It's a bit more brighter. I like that. I think we'll keep it with yellow. And I want to add some subheadings. So add heading. And we might just put in something a bit more fancy. That's quite cool. So I'll put here art. Okay, art in might make it a bit bigger, change the font size maybe to 144. And we'll just bring that up here, and we can center that. That's centered. I don't know if it's bold enough. We might try something like that. Art and that's quite nice. Bukari script. Art in progress. So we're just going to add another subheading or another heading. Progress. And we're just going to bring that down and we're going to change that to Bukari. Bukari script. And we might change the size of that as well. Make it 144. Actually, I might put like a square. Element. I might put a rectangle. So we'll go like that, and what we can actually do is turn that like that, and we can change the colour of that. So we can change it to, let's try pink, and we're just going to increase the size of that. We're going to bring it up like that, and we're going to just offset it. We can also see if we can fill that in as well. We might put a blue in there. Okay. So we'll just come back up here. We're going to add that in. And I just wanted to do something a bit different. We'll just center that. That's centered. That looks great. I really like that. It's fun. It's we might just turn that just slightly. No, I think I'll just keep it just like that. Okay, that actually looks really cool. I'm happy with that. I'm going to use this design as a design for a t-shirt and other products that I put onto Society6, Etsy, and also Redbubble. You can download these either in a PNG form, PNG style, or a JPG. I usually do it in JPG, and I increase the quality because I basically want the image to be you know, spot on when I put it onto a t-shirt design. I download it and also what I also do is I enlarge my image. So I go here and I type in best image enlarger, and I just go here, imageresizer.com. I increase the pixel size so that when the company print the image, it's going to be really good quality. It won't lose its effect. Here we go, that's the design that I've just designed now. And we'll select that. So we're going to change the dimensions. I usually take it about to 8,500 pixels. That way, when they print it onto like a duvet, it's not going to lose the quality of the image. Because if you don't have enough pixels, what happens is it comes out all blurry. And it just looks all fuzzy when they print it. So you want to keep the image true to what you see in a smaller version. Right, we're downloading now. Okay, so I download that. I go back to my downloads. I just love working with CANVA. And it's an amazing art platform, especially if you want to be able to design a lot of artworks really quickly. And CANVA is such a easy platform to use. It's easy to navigate. I haven't had any problems with CANVA. Right, hopefully this will download. Sometimes if you've got a file that's too big in pixels, it won't. For some reason it doesn't always download. So here we go, I'm going to download. And we'll go to download in my files. There we go. So we've got a finished product here, and that is in yeah, around about 8,500 pixels. Looks good. I really like that. So if you want to subscribe, hit the subscribe button. Also like the video. The next video I do, I'm going to add this to Redbubble. So in the comments box down below, you can view all of my designs on Redbubble or Society6, and also I'll be placing them onto Etsy as well. So thanks very much for watching this quick tutorial on how to make a simple design through CANVA. I'm currently making money through Redbubble weekly and also Society6, and I'm expanding my art and design into other print-on-demand platforms as well. So enjoy creating, enjoy your art. If you're passionate about colour and design, CANVA is absolutely amazing and I highly recommend it. Thanks so much for watching, and join me on my next Redbubble video tutorial on how to upload this particular design onto t-shirts and other products such as cups and things like that. Thanks, bye.